I crashed my bike and it hurt. And I am now going to tell you my story. So watch and listen. Here is footage of my crash. No, that was not me. There is no footage of my crash, but I am going to draw what happened. This is where my crash happened. Here. This is a cycle path. It is for bikes. Bikes. Not cars. No. Only bikes. So I was cycling on the path. Quite fast. There are a lot of trees. A lot of trees. The leaves. Stop. Did you just say leaves? Wrong. Leaves with a V. Leaves. Okay, continue with the story. Are falling off of the trees. So there are a lot of leaves. Wait 1 second. Leaves again. Come on. Leaves. Okay, start again. On the cycle path. Here. On the cycle path. Now, usually, this is not a problem. However, in Scotland, there is a lot of rain. And when the leaves get wet because of the rain, they become slippy. You can slide on them. It is like ice. It is like ice. It is slippy. So I cycled over these wet leaves like that, and my bike slid. Whoa. I flew off of my bike. I flew off of my bike and I landed on the ground and I hurt myself bad. Oh! I landed on my side on the hard ground. It really hurt. And I got some injuries. This is me. And these are the injuries I got. So the worst, the biggest injury and the most painful is on my elbow. Here. So here, because I landed on my elbow and it cut my elbow. It was painful and I tore a hole in my jacket and jumper when I fell on the ground. So my jacket sleeve has a hole here where I landed, and my jumper sleeve has a hole where I landed, and my arm has a hole, a cut where I landed, and it hurt. It was painful. My second injury is on my left leg, on my knee. This isn't a cut. No, this is a bruise. So it is purple. This is when you hit something and you bleed. Inside, not outside. And your skin turns purple. And when you touch it, it hurts. Ow! My third injury is on my right leg, lower down on my ankle, and this is a scrape. It is similar to my cut, but not as deep. I also hurt up near my shoulder. There is no cut or bruise or scrape, but it hurts. Ow! It hurts when I move my arm. Ouch. To treat my cut on my elbow, I used disinfectant to kill germs so I don't get an infection. Here is footage of me applying, so putting on disinfectant. Ouch! Now, I could have been hurt worse, a lot worse, but I wore some safety equipment and I was using some safety equipment. First, a helmet. I was wearing a helmet. I was wearing a safety helmet on my head. And when I crashed and I fell off my bike, my head hit the ground. But I was wearing a helmet which saved my head. This is very important when you cycle your bike. I was also wearing a high visibility jacket. I was wearing a high visibility or high vis jacket, and this is good so drivers in cars can see you clearly. Also, my bicycle, so my bike had lights on it. A red light on the back and a white light on the front. The red light on the back is to increase your visibility so drivers can see you on the road. And the white light at the front is so you can see the road better. However, to be even more safe, I should have worn two more things: elbow pads and knee pads. Then I would not have hurt my knees or my elbows. Nearly done, Andy. 2 secs. So that is my story about how I crashed my bike. Remember to wear a helmet and to be safe when cycling. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get 2 new English language video lessons every week. So, thank you for watching and listening. Bye.